Hey, it's Pete. Welcome back to my workshop. Now, my shop here is primarily used for building things that end up in museums and amusement parks and haunted attractions all across the country. And with it being that time of year, I thought it might be interesting to do something just a little bit different this week. Have a bit of fun. I am going to give an animatronic robot a quick overhaul.
They're coming to get you, Barbara.
This animatronic has a few air cylinders that need new O-rings. Fortunately, these units are rebuildable. I'm also going to replace some incorrect hardware, fix a few mechanical problems, get rid of some rust, and install some missing flow controls. These cylinders are in pretty good shape for their age. The anodizing inside the cylinder is starting to show some wear, but otherwise they're okay. The design of these makes changing O-rings really easy. This particular area has some interference if the cylinders move in a certain sequence, so I'm going to cut back this corner. A little work on the grinder and some fresh paint and it's ready to go back on. This cylinder has quite a bit of oxidation in the bottom of it. It also doesn't even have the correct seal. I think it may actually be a rubber from a pinball machine. This cylinder is supposed to have a U-cup seal. Somewhere along the way, this pneumatic fitting lost its push-to-release ring. Fitting is pretty well stuck in the cylinder, so I'm just going to swap in a new ring. I need to reinstall a bunch of flow controls that were robbed at some point in the past for other projects. These control how quickly the air cylinders extend and retract. His costume is split to make maintenance easier, and the entire thing goes on with Velcro. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing something just a little bit different this week, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you next week.